Singapore has reported 278 new cases of COVID-19.
Singapore has reported 322 new cases, the highest daily increase in a month.
We will implement these tighter measures until the 4th of May.
COVID-19 has disrupted our livelihoods greatly, especially those of our migrant workers who have been hit extremely hard by this pandemic. To support our migrant workers during this troubling time, the Society of Interior Designers Singapore has worked with the Singapore Ministry of Manpower to launch Operation De-COVID-19, a fundraising campaign selling uniquely designed t-shirts to unite everyone against COVID-19.
The unity and resilience of our people.
COVID-19 has greatly disrupted our lives and affected livelihoods on an unprecedented level. Many of our migrant workers who have helped build our country have similarly been affected. I'm glad that the Society of Interior Designers Singapore has initiated this t-shirt campaign, Operation De-COVID-19, to support our migrant workers. All sales proceeds will go towards the Migrant Workers Assistance Fund, which is the charity arm of the Migrant Workers Centre. Every t-shirt design aims to give you a meaningful experience that ties in with the cause of this campaign. Now let's hear what the designers have to say about their t-shirt designs.
Hi, I am Kenny Lim, and together with my partner, Angelo, we are the co-founders of Singapore-based fashion label Decor, as well as the multi-label store Sex Shop. As part of Operation De-COVID-19, we've created a limited edition t-shirt design titled Stronger Together. The message we would like to share is that even during the most difficult of times, we as global citizens must come together to show love and concern for the people around us. I'm sure you can agree that love conquers all, so play your part, lend your support to Operation De-COVID-19, and help make our world a better place.
Hi, I'm Jackson from Black. The title of my design is Daydreamer. Why? Because the best way to fight and destroy the virus is to stay at home.
Hi, I'm Kiet Ong from Kiet Ong Design. The title of my artwork is called Shelving Away the Virus. So it's very much like how we shelve away our old archive. And on the shelf you could find the different variation or rather different interpretation of how the COVID-19 will look like.
Hi, my name is Kelly Cheng. I'm from the press room, and for this De-COVID project I've created this artwork. So as you can see, it's a visual pun on the COVID virus, but turning it into a positive image of the globe, which is signifying the world and everybody coming together to fight this virus. So I will be applying this artwork together with the slogan, and this title of my artwork is called Co-Defend. So again, it's taking away the COVID and co-defend. The final product, it will look like this.
Hi, I'm Loh from Loh Architects. My inspiration for the t-shirt design was from a children's book. So this is a lion with a don't forget the mask, with a snap-on mask, to convey the importance of one's social responsibility during this coronavirus pandemic, which is ravaging the world now.
Hi, my name is Khairuddin Sarum and I'm from Kite Studio Architecture. My design for Operation De-COVID-19 is very much based on our common desire and hope, not just to come out of this very challenging time, but to come out of it stronger and better as one big community. Because I think that it is not just about bringing down the numbers. It is also about us showing compassion, kindness and selflessness, because everyone matters. And I think that it is this spirit of humanity, this spirit of inclusiveness that will guide us through this very challenging period. So at the end of the day, it's not just about all the hard work that we put in, it is also about the heart work. Hence you see in the design how the curve is being flattened down, being weighted down by the heart.
Hi everyone, I am Damien Tang, former president of Singapore Institute of Landscape Architects. During COVID-19, migrant workers are the hardest hit community living amongst us. It is a pleasure to be one of the 10 artists from the design industry representing my landscape sector in this Operation De-COVID-19. My design titled Void in Our Landscapes. The void symbolizes the impact of COVID-19 on migrant workers in the landscape industry, as well as the impact on the greenery and the built environment. This artwork is composed using ink, watercolor and digital media. The different technique used in this artwork represents the different skill sets of the migrant workers from different backgrounds and different countries coming together to build our beautiful landscapes. It also shows the emotional impact this pandemic has on every individual.
I am Janice Wong. In the face of adversity, we find a way to conquer through art and imagination. Now, this is a debut to my series of cartoon characters, and he is a strong and fearless chocolate egg, where I hope everyone can take courage in this period of crisis.
Hi, I'm Kenny from 11H. My design depicts people from different race, language and religion coming together to show compassion and support for our migrant workers.
Hi, I'm Peter Tay from Peter Tay Studio. The main inspiration is about this cohesiveness. It is this kind of cohesiveness that I was looking for in every Singapore. The action of holding hands and working together as one family with one goal in mind, in which to help everyone overcome this pandemic situation together. My design is in one simple notion of reflection, which also portrays in my personal works. It is about the reflection of oneself in the past and present. What are we going through together now, and what lies ahead for us all together, in which we will overcome this pandemic as one. Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
To support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
So please support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19.
Please support Operation De-COVID-19 and stay strong.
We may face many challenges ahead, but what we have built as a nation bears testament to how we have overcome many other crises before. With resilience, we can and we will similarly emerge stronger. Please support Operation De-COVID-19. I look forward to seeing you wear one of these meaningful t-shirts.
Lastly, SIDS thanks the following industry partners who helped to sponsor this initiative.